How to hide WhatsApp messages on the lock screen of your iPhone 8 Plus. This is a great way to keep your conversations private. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Notifications. Next, scroll through the list of apps and tap WhatsApp. Here, from the lock screen appearance section, tap Show Previews. Now select When Unlocked if you want message previews to appear only after unlocking your iPhone. If you don't want previews to appear at all, choose Never. If you want to completely stop WhatsApp notifications from appearing on the lock screen, go back one page. And turn off Lock Screen under the Alerts section. After making these changes, WhatsApp notifications will stay much more private. You'll still receive notifications based on the settings you choose, but the message content won't be visible on your lock screen. And that's it. That's how you can hide WhatsApp messages and notification previews on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone 8 Plus tutorials.